Let's get started with a pretty look from Shilpa. Starting with concealer to prime the eyelid. Setting it with loose powder to make sure the shadows blend well. Carving out the brow shape with concealer as well. This base will help the final look to be seamless. Applying tape on the outer corner and then adding gel liner. Using a bright brown shade to blend out the liner. Bringing it all the way to the center and dispersing the hue slightly. Smoking out the hues together. It's looking amazing so far. Slowly tapping on some copper shimmer on the center. This gives the look such a pretty vibe. We are loving it! Packing a brighter yellow on the inner corner as well. Lining the waterline with black gel liner. Carving out the wing shape with concealer. Smoking out the lower lash line as well. Finalizing the last glowy details to this look. Absolutely gorgeous!